Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Gemilang Lintang Samudra Sarjono from Faculty of Dentistry, Sultan Agung University class of 2019. Now, I will do journal review of plasma cell gingivitis from journal Plasma Cell of Gingivitis from MB Misra MDS, Swatis Rahma MDS, Alok Sharma MDS, September 2015. Let me introduce you about gingivitis plasma. Plasma cell gingivitis is an uncommon inflammatory condition of uncertain etiopathogenesis. Plasma cell gingivitis has been clinically characterized by diffuse gingival enlargement, erythema, and sometimes desquamation. These lesions are usually asymptomatic, but invariably, the patient will complain of burning sensation in the gingiva and bleeding from the mouth. Plasma cell gingivitis is known by a variety of the names. They include atypical gingivostomatitis, idiopathic gingivostomatitis, allergic gingivostomatitis, and plasmatosis of the gingiva. Although the epitheliopathogenesis of plasma cell gingivitis is still not clearly understood, is it considered of hypersensitivity reaction to some antigen, such as the component of chewing gum and dentifrice. The most prominent microscopic picture of plasma cell gingivitis is diffuse and massive infiltration of plasma cell into the subepithelial connective tissue, resulting in disruption or damage to the basement membrane. Case 4. A 15-year-old female was referred to the Department of Periodontic and Oral Implantology at Mahatma Gandhi Dental College and Hospital, Jaipur, Rajasthan, India, with a chief complaint of red swollen gums. It was associated with bleeding on sight, provocation, and pain when eating hard food. Clinical examination revealed severe inflammation of the gingival tissues extending from the free gingival margin to the mucogingival junction in both the maxillary and mandibulary arches. Histopathologic finding. Histopathology of the biopsy specimen of the gingival tissues was carefully examined under different magnification. Histopathology showed hyperplastic epithelium at place with erosion at several spots. Histopathologic finding confirmed the diagnosis of plasma cell gingivitis. After 6 months, clinically, the entire gingival tissues operate healthy with normal morphology. The patient has been put on regular visit every 3 months. Discussion. The etiology of plasma cell gingivitis is not clearly known, but because of the obvious presence of plasma cell, many authors believe it is an immunological reaction to allergen. Among them, the ingredient of toothpaste, chewing gum, and oral care product. Cases related to the use of herbal toothpaste have been reported. It has been suggested that strong spice and some herbs, such as chili, pepper, and cardamom, may be important triggering factor. 3 categories of plasma cell gingivitis have been proposed based upon the etiology of the condition. They are: first, lesion caused by an allergen; 2, neoplastic lesion; 3, lesion of unknown cause. Conclusion: this case highlights the adverse effect and irrational use of herbal agents in dentifrice. Plasma cell gingivitis is a diagnosis of occlusion distinguished primarily by the histologic finding of marked submucosal infiltrate after excluding certain conditions. And there is my journal review. I'm sorry if I made a mistake. I hope it works. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.